Today is a very educational event. There was a large amount of hands that went up that today was the first day that they had heard of in-space manufacturing as a concept.
We're here to bring together a diverse group of manufacturers under the idea of semiconductors and technology, and both manufacturing in space and manufacturing for space.
This is a way to get everyone together in the same room, hearing the same message, sharing and talking. That's what's going to allow us to really collaborate and figure out what to do next.
Silicon Valley and the greater Bay Area is a leader in innovation and entrepreneurship. I think these events are wonderful at convening leaders, thought leaders, and industry leaders, as well as academic researchers, to really think about how we can work together.
A lot of the small businesses that we're exposed to are just getting started. Their founders only have like a 1 or 2 person team, and they just don't have the software developers, or they don't have the facilities to create a technology. And so NASA has a whole patent portfolio, especially for licensing, and then software that's available for use in research.
Manufacturing is a tough business. You constantly are meeting deadlines and you're constantly trying to get things out the door. You typically don't have a lot of time for events like this. It's hard to pull in the owners and C-levels and employees for an event like this, so it has to have a strong draw. It has to have a strong reason for them to be here, and we saw that today.
Right, we have mayors from various cities around the Bay Area here listening to our problems, our challenges, our goals. And so this allows us to work together to create programs that will actually help us work better together.
How do we really having more education in all these different areas? I think we can really help faster and also build this whole thing based upon this.
The Bay Area is unique in its combination of entrepreneurs, but also well-established companies in our industry, and also world-class universities. So the ecosystem for education and innovation and entrepreneurship is unparalleled here in the Bay Area compared to anywhere else in the world.